Hello trainers, in this tutorial we will see how to create course bundles or membership plans and sell them under a single payment link. So using group option, you can create bundles, and course bundles are a great way to sell collection of courses at discounted price. They also save you a time by allowing you to group multiple courses under one payment link. So let's see how to create the course bundles. For that, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and go to LearnDash groups. Now click on Add New and name your bundle or membership plan. So I'm going to name it as Academic Membership. Now under Academic Membership, go to the settings and set the pricing. So I'm going to set it as 999. And below the course tab, select the courses that you want to give the access to the user upon making the payment of this membership. So you can select multiple courses at the same time. So I want to go with first 3 academic courses and then click on publish. Now our group membership has been published. Now you can view the group by clicking on this view group link in a new window. Here you can see that user will get the access to all these 3 courses if he enrolls into this group. You can also add the description as well as the featured image of this course. For that, you can add or type the description in the content. You can explain the benefits and other terms if have any. Along with that, you can also set the featured image. For that, go to groups and select the featured image here. I'm going to choose this one and update. Now if you go back to the page again and refresh, you can see a featured image and the description and list of courses. Now how do you display these courses or the membership plan on your website? For that, we have to create a new page. To add a new page, go to the pages and click on Add New. Now here you can add the title. I'm going to name it as Membership. Click on this plus block icon and search for LearnDash group. So here you have to select this LearnDash group list. You can also customize the design. So if you have multiple membership plans, you can select the number of columns it will display. You can also decide whether you want to show the thumbnail or the content or not, and then click on publish. Now our membership page has been published. This is what users will see. They will see the cards. So the interface is similar to courses, but this membership plan has 3 courses in it. So it will save your time. You don't have to create multiple courses. If you want to club all these courses together, you can just create a membership plan and put all these courses together in a one membership plan. Now, how you can publish this membership page or add this page in a menu on the sidebar? For that, go to the menu settings, go to appearance and click on menus. Now you will see a newly created page on the left side under pages block. Select the membership and click on add menu. And you can also sort the order. So I want to keep it below the courses and click on save menu. Now go back to the site and refresh it. Now we have this new membership plan here. You can also add the icon if you're using BuddyBoss theme. And click on select icon and you can search for card or membership. And save menu again. And refresh it. We have this icon here. In case you want to change or want to add this option in the side menu, for that you can select the sidebar menu first. I hope you find this tutorial useful. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will see you in the next tutorial.